Hi, my name is Anthony from Intuit. In this video, we will be reviewing the requirements from this summer's IRS Security Summit that will be industry-wide starting in tax year 2016. The purpose of this 5-minute video is to serve as a step-by-step guide to help you and everyone at your firm log in, access, and use the tax year 2016 tax program that incorporates the Security Summit requirements. It's important that you take time now to avoid delays. For your reference, additional detail regarding the IRS Security Summit requirements are available on our support sites in the yellow banner under New IRS Standard for Tax Year 2016 Identity Authentication. As a reminder, 3 of the new Summit requirements that all software providers need to implement for Tax Year 2016 product include: each tax software user will need to have their own unique username and a strong password. Passwords must be changed every 90 days. 30-minute inactivity log-off is designed to provide the same type of protection from unauthorized data access to sensitive financial data as found in the online banking industries. We are implementing all 3 of these new standards as required in the Tax Year 2016 program. However, in this video, we will focus on helping you with number 1 above, making sure each of your users has a unique login and password. Even if you have a password set up now, you will want to take a few minutes to test your login and make sure that the administrator rights are correct. Now I will walk you through how to set up and validate your login credentials. After the walkthrough, additional information on other topics from the IRS Summit and fraud protection will be provided. Please do the following. Gather your current Intuit online account login and password if you have one. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes of your time without interruption. Pause this video on each of the steps to take action. Make sure each member of your staff that uses the tax software watches the first part of this video. Let's get started now. There are 3 main tasks: get set up as the firm administrator, invite others, and receive or confirm access requests. Task 1. Set up your account as the firm administrator. Open a new browser. Go to proconnect.intuit.com. Click Sign in the top right corner. Sign in using your Intuit account user ID and password. When signing into your Intuit account, you may be prompted to verify your identity via MFA multi-factor authentication. If you do not have an online account, click on Create an Account. Follow the on-screen prompts. If you sign in with a login that is associated with multiple Intuit accounts, you will be given an option to select the associated account you want to associate with your tax program. Click Save and this will save your preferences. From there, click Close Window to continue or click the X in the top right corner. This will take you into the My Account dashboard. Near the top left, click on Manage Account. Depending on the software you use, click on My Lacert or My Pro Series. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Users. From here, you will see one of 4 screen options. Option 1. If you are signing in with a login that is not identified as being an administrator login, you will be prompted to request access. You can click on the Request Access button and it will send a request to the administrator to add you to this account. If you are the administrator on the account, you will want to sign out and sign back in with the administrator username or email associated with this account. If you prefer that your current login is changed to the administrator login, you will want to contact customer service so it can be updated. Option 2. If you receive a message indicating your FastPath is not active, you'll want to contact the number listed on the screen or click on Live Chat to get further assistance. A support agent can then resolve this issue and help you activate your FastPath software license right away. You will not be able to set up your account as the firm administrator until this is done. Option 3. This is the screen you will want to see if you are the administrator setting up your account for the first time. If you're the firm owner or designated admin, then check the I Certify checkbox and then click on the Get Started button. If you're not the firm administrator, do not complete the remainder of the steps in this video. Instead, forward this video to the administrator to complete the process. Option 4. If you have already clicked the Get Started button or have been added to the account in the past, you will instead see the Invite Users screen. This indicates you have already been successfully added to this account. From here, you will not need to do anything else for your account, but can proceed to the next step if you are an admin and need to invite employees. Task 2, Firm Administrator. If you're the only person in your firm, you can skip the step to invite employees. On the User Management page, click on the Invite Users button. On the Invite User screen, complete the first name, last name, and email address fields. In the Role field, choose Employee or Admin. The Admin role enables you to manage user access, add and remove users. A message will be entered for the user, then click on the Send Invitation button. Note, this will send an email invitation to the employee at the email address you entered for the employee to sign up. Verify the invitation was sent. The invited user should appear in the Pending Invitation table. Task 3. Receiving access request the invited employee. If you're the only person in your firm, you can skip the step to invite employees. Upon receipt of the invitation, the employee clicks on the button in the email to accept the invitation. If the employee has not already set up an Intuit account, the employee will need to click Create an Account and follow the on-screen prompts. Upon successful login or account creation, the employee will receive an Access Granted message. For step-by-step instructions on the process we just reviewed, as well as more detail, refer to the following. I hope you found this video tutorial helpful. In addition to the requirements from the Security Summit, at Intuit, we are committed to safeguarding customer information by employing enhanced security tools, service monitoring, and adapting to security events. As part of safeguarding taxpayer data, we are happy to comply with the IRS Security Summit requirements, and we plan to provide more tips, tricks, and industry best practices over the coming months to help you protect your clients' data. Thank you for watching. You can close this video now or continue watching to get additional information on fraud prevention. Push pause now to read this optional content with your staff.